Welcome to How to by Money, where we're here to guide you on your path to becoming a successful entrepreneur. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive beginner's guide to being an entrepreneur, offering clear guidance and actionable steps. The first step in your entrepreneurial journey is identifying your passion and business idea. Your business should be an extension of what you love and are passionate about. Take some time to brainstorm your interests, skills, and unique ideas that could fill a gap in the market. Now that you have your idea, it's time to do some market research. Identify your target audience and understand their needs. This research will help you tailor your products or services to your customers, making your business more likely to succeed. With your idea and research in hand, it's time to craft a solid business plan. Your plan should outline your business goals, financial projections, and strategies for reaching your target audience. A well-thought-out plan is crucial for securing funding and ensuring your business's success. Next, you'll need to navigate the legal and financial aspects of your business. Register your business, obtain any necessary licenses, and set up your financial systems. This step ensures you're compliant with the law and can manage your finances effectively. Once your business is up and running, you'll need to focus on effective marketing and branding strategies. Develop a unique brand identity, create a compelling online presence, and use various marketing channels to reach your target audience. As your business gains momentum, it's time to think about scaling and growing. Whether it's expanding your product line, reaching new markets, or exploring partnerships, this step is all about taking your business to the next level. Congratulations! You've just completed our beginner's guide to entrepreneurship. Remember, success as an entrepreneur takes time and dedication, but with the right guidance and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on entrepreneurship. Join us on this exciting journey and take control of your future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.